this video? You like this track?
Oh, there
Katie,
it is.
watch out.
Sorry.
Watch out, Katie.
This is all connected.
Well, here. Okay, so I started right there, and then went like here, and a bridge, and then you go over here. Here you go under the bridge, and it goes out right here, and you go over here, and then you go on the bridge again. That's my train for the competition, and I think they're pretty much liking it. You like this train track?
Yeah. Hey, I got a phone.
Hey, Katie, you have those 3 trains right there.
Okay, then.
So here is it. But here's kind of like a whoop too. And they want me to play, so I'm gonna play with them. Bye.